we are going to fold a paper airplane. First, you take your paper and you fold it in half lengthwise. You want to match up the corners really well, and then you crease it. This gives you a line for the middle. And you can see the line down the middle. The second thing you want to do is bring this triangle down and line it up with your line down the middle. So to see the triangle, I hope you can see it. You'll do the same thing on this side as well. It should make a nice tippy point right at the top. So there it is. So you've got your center line, and these match up to the center line. The next thing is on the line where these triangles meet, you bring the paper down and you line this line up. There's a line going down, and you want to line it up, and you want to fill where you can kind of fill when you fold it where the triangle lines are underneath. And so I'm lining everything up really tight. There should be some nice points going on here. Everything. And it is a square. You're right. Okay. So here we are. I folded that down. The next thing is we have this point, and we're going to bring it about in the middle. In fact, if you want to even draw a dot about in the middle there of on that line.
Can I see it, and why can't we see it?
Does that make it better so you can see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you can see it.
We can see it.
We're going to bring this and touch it right on the center line right there. And this will be a little tricky, and then we got to crease this. Whoops, I'm having a hard time with that creasing right there. There we go. We want to bring that down right there. There we go. We've got that line down like that. We're going to do the same
thing on the other side.
You're correct, Lydia. Same thing on the other side. Bringing it down. Bringing it down. Okay, so we've got those folding like that.
And then...
Wait. Shh, we're not ready yet. Okay, now here, we want to take this and fold this up right here. But this right here, we have to do a little teeny rip
on it.
It's kind of hard, but you got to get a little rip in there, like that, in the page. So it'll look like that. You get a little rip there. And I'm using the paper to kind of help rip it. See, I'm pulling that paper up like that, and that helps rip where you want it. So I have a rip over here, not very long, and a rip over there. So when I was doing my rip, I just am lifting up that triangle. And we're going to lift up. And I want this line to line right up with these lines right here.
Yep. And then...
Okay, and now we've got to fold that down. So we've got that.
Done.
See that? It is almost done. Okay, there's our airplane this way. Now we're going to turn it around. And we want to fold the opposite on this line right here. So as we've turned it around, here we go. We had it just how we are. We turn it around. And there's that line, and we fold that the opposite way. And it should fold right down our center line. And we can see that going, and you can see those things right there. Okay. And everything should match up real nice.
Yeah, and then...
Now we're going to take this. We've got it turned this way. We've folded it, and now we want this line right here to line up with this line right here. So here we go. We're lining this line up to that. It's going to take a little bit. Got it lined up. And you want to crease that. And then we're going to turn it the other way. So we've got this going here. And
we're doing the same thing on the other side.
Yes, we are.
We do the same thing on other sides on the same thing to make the airplane.
And now our airplane
is done.
It's done. You want to kind of level that out. When you fly the airplane, if you notice, there's this little triangle piece in here, and that's where you're going to hold it. is right there. And then when you throw it, you just do a nice toss like that. So we're going to go and see if it will fly well. Okay, we are going to try out our airplane. So Lydia, where do you hold it? Show us where you hold.
Right here.
Okay.
So see that triangle? We hold it right here.
I can't get it on there. Okay, there we go.
Right here.
Very good. Okay, now get it ready to fly. And show how you fly it. You don't have to throw hard. Okay.